Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Michelle Fondin. I'm the author of Chakra Healing for Vibrant Energy, exploring your 7 energy centers with mindfulness, yoga, and Ayurveda. I'm also the author of Heal Yourself, A Return to Wholeness, the integration of body, mind, soul, and spirit. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for subscribing below. Click on the bell, scroll up to all for all notifications. And thank you for giving the video a thumbs up. Welcome to the Spiritual Awakening series on what is a chakra. This is a series where I am helping you through your spiritual awakening. I'm helping you through spiritual concepts that may seem complicated to you at this time. So really, I'm going back to the basics. Let's go back to the basics. If you have not yet viewed my video on what is Kundalini, I will put that right here so you can go ahead and check it out. But what is a chakra exactly? It sounds like this big esoteric concept, and I'm sure you have probably heard the term somewhere. Maybe you heard it in yoga class, maybe you heard it on YouTube or on TikTok. You've seen the chakra colors, you've seen chakra banners and crystals and gems, but you might not yet know what is a chakra. A chakra is a wheel of energy. The word chakra is a Sanskrit word that means wheel. Chakras are spinning vortices of energy within your body. Now, we have many different chakras, but typically we focus on the main chakras that align the spinal cord. These are called the 7 main chakras. Some say there are 8 that align the spinal cord, but let's stick with the number 7 as it's the easiest to work with. When I say spinning vortices of energy, you might be wondering what in the world that means. So literally, the chakra word means wheel, and they're spinning vortices of energy going this way, front to back, like a big wheel. Now, ancient yogis saw this in meditations. They really saw these spinning areas of energy within the body in the frequency of what we call the subtle body or the energetic body. The ancient yogis saw the concentrated wheels of energy around these main areas that we call the 7 main chakras. Now later, science confirmed that there are extra bundles of nerves in those areas where the yogis were saying are the chakras. So in fact, modern science did confirm there is something there. Even if modern science does not recognize the energetic body or the subtle body, modern science said, okay, in these areas, there are extra bundles of nerves. This is a very sensitive area. Of course, there are 7 main chakras starting at the base of the spine, and I will do other videos, and I have done other videos on my channel, but let's get a more updated version. I will do videos on each of the 7 chakras within this series and really help you to understand, especially in the realm of spiritual awakening and relationships, how to navigate these various chakras. And the word chakra has a really important meaning for me because in one of my books, The Wheel of Healing with Ayurveda, An Easy Guide to a Healthy Lifestyle, I explain how I got diagnosed with thyroid cancer at age 28. And that's a very young age to be diagnosed with cancer, any kind of cancer. And I was looking for answers. I knew that if I did not find the root cause of the cancer, that certainly I would get sick again sometime in the future. And I didn't want that. So I wanted to go to the root cause of the cancer. And among my research in alternative and complementary health, including Ayurveda, which I've studied extensively, and I do Ayurvedic lifestyle consultations. In addition to Ayurveda, I looked at many different types of healing modalities. Now, one day I came upon this very small passage in Christiane Northrup's book, Woman's Body, Woman's Wisdom. And in that passage, she spoke about the chakras. And soon thereafter, I realized that I had been sick in my throat chakra, which is called the Vishuddha chakra. I had been sick in my throat chakra for years and years and years. And I never noticed the correlation with being sick in my throat, in the throat area, and maybe that there was some blockages there because of course I didn't have any notion of the chakras before then. And so what I did during that time of healing is that I really took a deep dive into why I had experienced blockages in my throat chakra. And through a lot of work and meditation and chakra healing, I was able to heal the throat chakra. The chakras are really useful when we're talking about different levels of healing. Whether you're healing your emotions, healing your physical body, healing your energetic body, or you're awakening spiritually. So the base chakra is called Muladhara. The second chakra is called the sexual chakra, or sacral chakra. The third chakra that finds itself at the belly button is the solar plexus chakra, and it's called Manipura, or the lustrous gem. The fourth chakra is the area of the heart, and that is Anahata, which means unstruck or unhurt. The fifth chakra, as I mentioned, is called Vishuddha, and that is really opening up to verbal expression and verbal clarity. The sixth chakra is the third eye, Ajna, our center of clairvoyance, intuition, and opening up to the higher spiritual realms. And finally, we have the crown chakra, the Sahasrara chakra, the thousand-petaled lotus, which is our source of enlightenment and connection to higher spirits. As we awaken and that Kundalini energy activates, even if it's slow, again, check out that video, we are able to move through deeper and deeper levels of healing, the different layers of healing. And as we do that, we're able to integrate more of the layers of ourselves into wholeness, into oneness. And in fact, that's what we are really here for as awakened beings, is to be able to integrate ourselves into wholeness. So I hope this was helpful to help you understand just a little bit about what is a chakra. You can make sure to check out any of my published books, or you can check out my online meditation course. The link is below to join. You'll get your personalized mantra in Sanskrit. And I want to thank you so much for sharing this with others, and I will see you in the next video.